Welcome to Saturday Recipe Share. Today, my own recipe, southern fried chicken livers. They're crispy and golden and they're so good. If you ain't even a chicken liver fan, try these. Here's the recipe for you. If you have any questions, just leave it in your comments and I'll get back with you just as soon as possible. I appreciate y'all being here on my channel. It means a lot. Let's get with the video. Marinated them overnight in buttermilk. I'm going to take all-purpose flour. I want these coated really good. And we're not doing any double coat. We're not going from flour to milk back into the flour and all that stuff. This flour is cold. Just move those babies around until you get them really coated. There's some little parts of chicken hearts in here. There's a couple of kidneys in here that were in the chicken livers. These chicken livers are cheap, less than $2. I mean, what else can you buy that's good and good for you? It's high in nutrients. I know a lot of people don't like them, but they're really good for you. I guess it's an acquired taste, maybe, I'm not sure. But this is just good old southern fried chicken livers. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a sacrificial. Let's see, this is a little kidney. And I will tell you, chicken livers will pop. A lot of people they'll take a fork and stab them before they put the flour on them, but I don't know. To me, that just lets the flavor out, lets the moisture out, and they dry out and cook really, really quick. So, as you see, that one just did. All right, the temperature's right on this. So I've got this on kind of medium-low. Let me stand up here for just a minute. I've got a little energy left. So that way if it pops, it's not going to pop the pop. Hey buddy.
What you doing?
I'm frying chicken livers.
Frying chicken?
Yep. How are you doing?
Good.
Let's see here. My little shelf helper coming in. What you been doing?
Making knives.
Making knives, huh?
Yep.
Hey, watch your face. This stuff sometimes pops, so I don't want you to.
Okay.
I don't want you to get caught by any shrapnel. Anyway, just lay these chicken livers in your pan. I'm doing a video, so. Oh man, look at there. I didn't even realize they had jumped out. Okra.
That stuff's good.
You can have those if you want to catch them.
I'm okay right now.
Okay. You gonna put them on that plate for me?
Yeah.
This is one whole tub of chicken livers. When we were kids and we'd go catfishing, we used chicken livers.
Oh, really?
Yep. And if the catfish wasn't biting, we would take the chicken livers and get a fire. Look at Big Man. He's like, hey dude, don't forget about your helper here.
Your other taste tester.
Yeah. We would take and turn this up a little bit. We would take those and make sure they were good and clean, build a fire, put some salt and pepper on them and roast them over a fire, like you would marshmallows. You can see that dark there, that's from where I fried okra a while ago. You think that's gonna make it taste bad? Oh no.
I think it'll taste better.
I think it tastes good. Oh, there you are, how to fry beautiful golden brown chicken livers. If you've never had them, try them. They're really good, and they're actually good for you. So I appreciate you being here on my channel. Check out the different videos on every Saturday, and also Sunday I have a video share from family and friends that put up their videos. I appreciate you being here, and I'll just talk at you later.